Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Bearable Bull here. And I got this aggressively average content for you today. As man, oh man, it's the XRP army in a hoopla right now. Haha! Somebody's got the XRP community's panties in a bunch, and it's the DTCC. Oh, baby, are you cheating on me with Stellar? What's going on? Nasty. The DTCC has been around versus XRP. Now it's Canton, and now Stellar's getting a little. But what is the real truth about what's going on with the DTCC and all these other different cryptos getting involved in and getting a piece of the DTCC pie? First and foremost, let me read this out loud. The DTCC and Stellar announced today plans to enable the tokenization of DTC custodied assets on the Stellar network. And this collaboration advances DTCC's multi-chain strategy and expands how traditional assets move across digital systems. DTC tokenized assets are expected to make Stellar available be made available on the Stellar network in the first half of 2027, supporting the evolution of a more open, interoperable, and efficient financial ecosystem. Ladies and gentlemen, a lot of people thought Canton was going to be replacing XRP as well with their connection with the DTCC. But I have the wherewithal to tell all of you, have no fear. El Toro Loco is here, my friends, because all of these cryptos are not competing with each other. This is a collaborative effort towards the finish line, my friends. Canton will be recording where tokenized assets live, is going to track treasuries, repo positions, custody rails, and bank private trade details. Ladies and gentlemen, this is important. XRP and Canton will have different use cases within the DTCC, and Stellar will as well. This is very important. Every single part of this pie has its own use case, and just because Stellar has partnered with the DTCC does not take away from Ripple Prime, formerly Hidden Road, now being fully integrated to the DTCC's National Security Clearing Corporation Participant Directory. And this grants the Ripple-owned Prime broker direct operational status to clear institutional OTC trades and route post-trade volumes alongside major Wall Street institutions. The NSCC listing as of March 2026 was officially enabled, and this allows Ripple Prime to operate with executing and clearing broker credentials within the same core U.S. capital markets infrastructure used by legacy banking giants like Goldman and JP Morgan. The DTC tokenized service will allow Ripple Prime as a key participant in the DTCC's new DTC tokenization service. Does this take Ripple and XRP out of the equation? No, it just adds Stellar into the equation. This initiative focuses on the tokenization of equities, ETFs, and U.S. Treasuries. The DTCC began limited pilot tests of the tokenized settlement infrastructure in July 2026. With full production rollout planned for October. I literally mentioned this in my previous video, and here we are. XRP's little brother Stellar. Taking a piece of the pie does not hurt XRP. In fact, this is more of a scream at the top of their lungs, letting all of you know that XRP and Stellar are going hand in hand across the finish line. Stellar is not a threat for XRP. Stellar is assistance towards the greater goal, and all of you should be excited. They're saying out loud the cryptos that we own, we know about, and we are actively collaborating with are going to be part of the puzzle. And I can't stress that enough. The DTCC has a 24/5 trading hours beginning this June 2026. That's a few days away. And part of that is going to be because of Ripple, XRP, Stellar, and all its other quantum upgrades that it's happening this year. Oh, I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. And I really love what's going on, my friends. Every single one of you should as well. And I can't stress enough how bullish everything that's happening in real time is for crypto. You see, this is the chart for crypto versus the S&P 500. This is the S&P 500 being extremely overvalued while Bitcoin, Ether, other cryptos being undervalued, and what's holding back the entire market is the Clarity Act. We now have a pro-Bitcoin Federal Reserve chair. We have the biggest crypto bill in history on standby ready to pass. There's a digital asset reserve being talked about by the president, and you guys are all stressed for why. I'm confused because there's no reason. This is going to be the great altcoin rotation. And our forefathers are going to be so proud. Our grandchildren are going to write stories about us. And everyone in between that doubted us are going to beg for our help. Now, guys, from smoke, May 2026. The CME NASDAQ is going to launch XRP index futures on June 8th. Do you see all these institutional products continuing to grow around our favorite digital assets? The CME Group is the largest and most important derivatives exchange, and through its partnership with the NASDAQ, CME will be bringing full institutional capital to altcoins from the regulated futures market. This provides professional investors with a single regulated contract for diversified exposure to the digital asset market. For the first time, live trading is scheduled on June 8th, and ahead of the live trading, the CME Group will also implement a major operational shift. Starting May 29th, literally 2 days away, the CME Group will move its cryptocurrency futures and operations trading to a 24/7 schedule. And this is a deliberate step to match the 24/7 volume of digital assets. Traditional finance is starting to catch up to the pace of crypto. Remember the 24/7 tokenization platform with Ripple, Ondo, Securitized, and the partnership with the New York Stock Exchange. This is not an accident. It is also clear that this is a major step for the institutional integration of ISO 20022. Ladies and gentlemen, as of June 8th, market participants await regulatory green lights from the CFTC as the Clarity Act is ready to pass. The partnership between CME and NASDAQ represents a powerful synergy of technical expertise and market dominance, likely paving the way for further institutional adoption of decentralized technologies. Here, in addition to that, the Bank of Japan is about to dump $2.8 billion in U.S. Treasuries, the largest liquidity dump by Japan in 30 years. The last time Japan did this, the stock market crashed 15%. The reverse carry trade is in full effect. Japan is the second largest holder of U.S. debt on the planet. When they sell, yields spike. When yields spike, everything breaks. China reduced treasuries to 2008 lows. Japan dumped at a 30-year record. The two largest foreign holders of U.S. debt are selling at the same time, and people think there's not going to be a monumental stock market crash soon. There absolutely will. But remember that chart I showed you earlier. The stock market will pull back, and the great rotation into the crypto market is going to happen. The Fed will have to buy everything they're selling. More printing, more inflation, more pressure. The system is breaking in slow motion, and nobody is talking about it. With the Clarity Act looking closer than ever before, JP Morgan, BlackRock, Citi, Fidelity, Bank of America are all aggressively hiring crypto experts, digital asset engineers, tokenization specialists, and crypto infrastructure leaders all at the same time. This is not an accident. This is the synchronistic rollout of our XRP adoption and price appreciation moment. New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ are preparing for tokenized stocks. Institutions are building blockchain settlement rails. Markets are moving 24/7 trading and settlement. Wall Street has arrived. And there are still Twitter-fingered crypto motherfuckers wondering, questioning if a bull run is coming. Don't listen to these idiots on crypto Twitter, in the DMs, in comment sections with no followings and $100 in some random shit coins. Listen to ZZ let you know that the crypto super cycle is upon us. He believes 2026 is the year it's going to happen. And I 100% agree.
Do you trade a lot of crypto these days?
No, I don't trade
at all.
I don't trade. I hold Bitcoins. I hold BNB.
Okay.
I don't do day trading. I don't buy and sell. I don't try to time the market. I'm just not good at that. Years ago, like 10, 20 years ago, I tried that. Lost money. Just figured I'm a developer. I build systems. I don't trade.
So do you have any thought, though, real quick, on just like the price of Bitcoin and where this is all headed? Do you think we're in a winter, a summer cycle? Are you with Cathie Wood, who thinks it's going to turn into $1 million a coin?
So whenever people ask that question, I always got to ask them, what's the time frame you're looking at? If you're looking at today, tomorrow, on a daily basis, there's no way I can predict. If you look at a 5-10-year horizon, it's very easy to predict. We're going to go up. If you look at a 1-year horizon, which is like what the most sort of common right. Framework is, 2026, I'm not sure. You may be. I think I have very strong feelings that you will probably be a super cycle.
Be a super cycle.
2026, yeah.
For Bitcoin.
For Bitcoin.
And what super cycle to you means what?
Well, normally Bitcoin follows 4-year cycles historically. If you look at historic data, like every 4 years, there's a all-time high and then there's a drop. But I think this year, given the U.S. being so pro-crypto and every other country is kind of following, I do think we will see this. We will probably break the 4-year
right.
cycle.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, that you heard CZ's take on the market, I'm going to circle all the way back on whether or not Ripple and XRP is dead based on the Stellar news. Absolutely not. Stellar growing does not hinder XRP's growth. On the contrary, it confirms Ripple and XRP's use case. Stellar with the DTCC has 114 trillion in a 24/5 US equity trading starting June 2026. Market Giant is already working with Chainlink, Ripple, Stellar, Canton on tokenized finance infrastructure. And ladies and gentlemen, here's Kevin Cage showing how Ripple and XRP, as well as Stellar's XLM, are very heavily correlated in regards to their charts. Will XRP follow XLM's price? It's very possible. Ladies and gentlemen, these two have a strong correlation in regards to their price algorithm, and I can't stress that enough. Stellar is up quite tremendously right now. And at the moment that Kevin Cage posted this, Stellar was at 19 cents. Now, Stellar is almost 26 cents. This is unbelievable price growth, and this is off the back of the DTCC news. Do you still understand where we're going? Is there any confusion left? Because all that confusion should now subside. This growth is going to happen faster, day by day, step by step, and you cannot ignore it. And finally, the XRP ledger, in case you forgot, was already recognized as a public blockchain that is compatible with the DTCC services. As Smoke said, it's important to follow documented research as opposed to narratives. People want XRP to die because of the Stellar news, but in reality, Stellar and XRP are holding hands to the finish line. My friends, if anything, use the Stellar news as additional confidence that this space is growing exponentially, because that's exactly what that is. From 15 cents to 26 cents is where Stellar went. That is a 60% move. That is explosive. And that's exactly what's going to happen to Ripple's XRP. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to cap off this video for today, I've been onboarding a lot of new VIP mentorship clients. I have down in my description below my email address. And for any of you that are interested in my one-on-one VIP mentorship, send me an email, inquire, leave your phone number, and I will give you a direct phone call for us to discuss our growth. I have limited availability for this bull market cycle left. And when people come across my path right now during this specific part of the cycle, before the prices go exponential, this is where I can most help and most maximize your ROI. Please take advantage, because as a 10-year vet in the crypto space, I'm better equipped to help more people escape the rat race than almost anyone in this space. Nobody offers the service I do on the planet, and I guarantee you, you'll all be glad that you joined. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Bearable Bull here. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't done so already, please get your Decent wallets down in the description below, as Decent is now a core piece of infrastructure for the XRP community, with their integration with their Flare network to help earn some passive yield for the XRP army. Maximize your XRP growth today with the Decent wallet down in the description below, and get your security maximized for the 2026 bull run. As always, guys, I appreciate every single one of you. Now, I'll be back tomorrow with another video.